Hi friends! BMW keeps pouring out huge amounts of information about the upcoming update of the 5 Series, and today I'm honestly a bit stunned by what I've seen, so I want to show you what the Bavarians are preparing for us. The trick is that the Germans decided to make changes to an update that hasn't even been released yet. Sounds confusing? Don't worry, I'll explain everything now. It seems that someone in BMW's design department suddenly heard the voice of reason, or maybe someone from top management finally looked at the sketches of the Neue Klasse design language and quietly asked, "Are we sure people will actually buy this?" Judging by the latest spy shots of the 2027 facelifted 5 Series, the Bavarians have decided to hit the brakes on their attempt to turn a respectable business sedan into a futuristic toaster on wheels. Not long ago, we were preparing ourselves for the 5 Series to fully morph into the Vision Neue Klasse concept, with its flat front end and headlights fused with the grille into a single digital slab. But the latest touring prototypes hint that the revolution has been postponed. Instead of a radical face of the future, the test cars clearly show familiar old-school kidney grills, suspiciously similar to those of the current G60 generation, just lightly retouched, apparently so the designers wouldn't feel too bad about all the effort they put in. Apparently, realizing that conservative 5 Series owners might not appreciate their car turning into a cyberpunk-era exhibition piece, BMW decided to return to its roots, even tweaking the rear lights in the style of the current 3 Series, to maintain at least some connection with reality. And if you compare what was planned before with what we're getting now, the difference is very noticeable. So friends, which of these two versions do you like more? Unfortunately, apart from the exterior, BMW hasn't made any other changes. Inside, we're still in for a full-blown digital amusement park. The Bavarians are stubbornly pushing the panoramic iDrive display into the cabin, a screen stretching across the entire width of the windshield, hovering front of the driver like a news ticker, constantly reminding you how expensive it is to service this gadget. Of course, there's also that infamous 4-spoke wheel, which has already collected its fair share of likes and hate on the iX3. Apparently, BMW decided that if the exterior is going to be boringly traditional, the interior must at least cause mild confusion every time the driver just wants to turn the wheels. As for the technical side, Bavarian innovation shows itself in remarkable stability. The good old 2-liter 4-cylinders and slightly refreshed inline 6s are staying with us, as if the world isn't in the middle of a full-scale transition to electrification. In the end, this whole design rollback looks like a classic attempt to sit on 2 chairs at once, to be seen as innovators while not giving loyal customers, used to classic shapes, a heart attack at the sight of the new car's looks and price tag. It seems that in 2027, we won't get a car from the future, but rather a very polite apology for overly bold artistic fantasies, wrapped in a familiar body with a light coating of digital pathos.